The toilet features 3 sensors with various functions: a microwave sensor for automatic lid opening, a foot sensor for easy lid, seat operation, and a seat sensor for the cleaning function. The toilet lid opens automatically when you approach within 120 centimeters. You can also open the lid by briefly pressing the open button. Long pressing the open button to disable the auto flip function. Use the remote control to shut down. Within 3 seconds of shutting down, press the flip button twice quickly to enter the microwave sensing mode. U1, U5 is displayed on the left side of display. Press the back and forth buttons to adjust. Select the sensing distance. U1 has the shortest sensing distance, and U5 has the longest sensing distance. The toilet has a foot sensor to open the seat. If the sensor detects the foot again after 15 seconds, the seat will close and flush automatically. The seat temperature can be adjusted across 4 stages, from normal up to 40 degrees Celsius, catering to your preferences. After being seated, the machine will automatically spray clean water to moisten and lubricate the inner wall of the ceramic to prevent dirt from sticking to the ceramic. If the seat ring lid is open and no other operation is performed, the seat ring lid will be automatically closed after 1.5 minutes. When seated, the sensor beeps once, and the nozzle extends to spray for 2 minutes. If it beeps 3 times, it senses no one is seated. Move your body to the sensor area to activate it. The toilet has instant water heating. You can preset a temp using the remote, but it will only heat the water when the HIPS female wash function is in use. During the HIPS female washing, you can increase or decrease the water flow by pressing the Flow Adjust Back and Forth button. Easily adjust the washing position by pressing the Position Adjust Back and Forth keys when the hip washing and female washing are turned on. When the HIPS female wash is active, pressing HIPS Move or Female Move makes the nozzle move back and forth to enhance cleaning. After washing, you can turn on the drying function, and it will flush automatically at the same time. You can adjust the 4-stage fan temperature from normal and to 40 degrees Celsius for your preferences. Press the Stop button to stop current operating function. After you leave the seat, the toilet will stop and flush automatically. Press Flush Water on the remote to flush. Short press the side knob to flush when powered on. And in the case of power failure, you can easily press the side knob to flush on backup battery. Make sure it's charged first. Note: long pressing Flush Water to turn off automatic off-seat flushing. The auto flush indicator will be off, and it won't flush automatically when you leave. Features designed specifically for male. When the seat ring is wiped up, you can flush it by sensing the foot sensor. For the user memory buttons, when it is seated, you can choose the temperature, seat temp, water temp, wind temp you prefer, and long press the User 1, User 2 button on the side. The system will save it. If you press the Energy Conservation button, the screen will turn off automatically. While not sitting on the unit, short press the Shower button on the remote control. The nozzle will extend outward, and water will flow out to clean the nozzle and the spout for 1 minute. Press the Nightlight button to turn on or off the nightlight. When you sit in the sensing area and turn the side knob clockwise, the HIPS washing function will be activated. When you turn the side knob counterclockwise, the female washing function will be activated.